this is what it looks like out of the box. As you can see, here is the on-off button switch at the top. It is super lightweight, making it really great to move around the house if you need to do so, or traveling, or storage, all that kind of good stuff. Flipping it around to the back, you guys can see here is the water tank. It actually holds up to 2 liters of water, and it will collect in there. Your device, you can go ahead and plug it in. The really great feature about this is that it is super quiet. It is not going to be annoying, and it's very energy saving. It has an auto shut off. That way you can go ahead and save on those power bills, which is really, really wonderful. Once you go ahead and turn it on, as you can see, it is on. This is turned green, so you know it is on. You can hear a faint noise in there from the dehumidifier. On the user manual here, there's lots of great information that features a Peltier dehumidifier, which makes it lightweight, quiet. It's perfect for rooms and poorly ventilated areas, so it keeps your space really nice and cool and comfortable by removing 750 milliliters of water per day out of the room, or 2 liters. It goes ahead and walks you through how to take out the tank, as I just showed you, how to go ahead and dump the water out. I will go ahead and I'll turn it off here, and I'll show you guys actually. There's a really great little spout here that you can go ahead and empty your tank into. When that tank is full, this light that was once green, when it is on, it will actually go ahead and turn yellow, and you will know that it is full, and you can go ahead and dump your tank out and place it back in. Super, super simple. It is good for anyone of any age to go ahead and utilize. I would definitely incorporate this into my life, but I would love to hear what you guys have to say as well. Go ahead and put your comments and thoughts below. Hit that like button and subscribe so I can keep you up to date on all the great things I have to review. See you next time. Bye, guys.